Okay, I want to combine those together, and for this we'll go to use combiner, select two nodes, and inside I want to actually add one to another and just go away. So you can see now we have this nice rocks kind of start appearing right here with the bigger patches and smaller patches. Okay, next we want to smooth them out. The one way to do this is by using expander. So we'll go ahead, where's my right here, we'll use the expander for this. Okay, in the expander we go ahead, select swell. Let's go use hybrid, so it's a little bit faster, but same nice, and we'll just maybe pop up around 15, maybe 16 will be okay. Let's preview. You can see now we have this nice rocks kind of going. Okay, so kind of some of these big rocks I don't like. I like small one, you can see them round around, but I maybe want to go inside this one and decrease so they won't be that big. Just maybe 500 will work. Okay, let's go preview. It'll look a little bit better. Okay, now I have to expand. Yeah, let's look a little bit better rocks on this. So we have a bigger one from other ones and a bit more smoother. Okay, let's go back. Kind of create it, and next let's control a little bit height, and we can use it by using Clam tool. So we'll go ahead, open this tool, and we'll go to modify, bring top a little bit down. So right here you can see we're kind of going down, and now start climbing. We can also, you can use normalize input if you want a little bit more accurate preview. So right here with normalize. Okay, let's go to uncheck this just so I can compare, and this is without. I think without I like a little bit better. Okay, we'll go next. We created kind of two of them. Next I want take these two and combine, but I want the rocks be only right on the middle, kind of even blend very good with the end. And you know, in some cases you can see nice layout right here, but problem is we kind of needed almost apply maybe mountain run. So we'll see how it's will going. Okay, right here let's go combine those two together, and we're going to use this chooser for this. So let's go combination, we'll go chooser. It's help us better switch between two of them. And actually I want to take this and connect to the B, connect to this A. You always can click and change depending which you want it. And I want to choose, but I want to choose from my layout leg, except because we applied some coastal erosion right here. Actually water map, it's what I want based on. If I connect directly water map to this, it does not give me preview as I wanted. So I want to actually a little bit rework and maybe expand, make it's bigger. So let's go to filters. We'll go again, use it our expand for this. We'll connect right inside. Okay, and in expand we're going to change. Let's go to swell on this one. Same, we'll use hybrid, and we'll just kind of bring in 28. So it's kind of look a little bit expanded. Just add size. Next, let's go ahead and add a blur to this, because I don't necessarily like it sharp edges. Okay, we can pop up maybe around right 113. I think maybe it's work. We'll see. Maybe it's a little bit too much. And at this point, if I go connect, you can see it does not connect. It's kind of connected wrong, so I need to invert this. So we'll go take inverter and place it right in the middle. Give it our blur and point, and now chooser. You can see we have right in the middle. Let's go open preview. So right here you can see it's almost like bubble, like lava or something else, but overall here we have our rocks in the middle. When I go to render this, when I place the water, I want water just go about this edge, and you will see those rocks poking out. So it will create some interesting effect. This is what I'm going after. At this point, we can continue adding additional details, but I want kind of stop and I want to add now, okay, create some outputs. So let's go do this one. First, I will choose this output. It will be our overall, but right here in erosion, I can see I have some exit, but I want to use it with a masking because we have this middle area where we want to remove it and maybe or apply rocks. To do this, we go to the output and we're going to use the bitmap. We cannot connect directly bitmap to this, so for this we'll need to use it converter. We'll go use it the colorizer. For example, right here you can see we applied now our colorizer to this area. To remove some of this or create transparency, we actually need to go ahead and add from erosion point from right here inverter, so we can go and connect it. So you can see right here now we have this remove area. When we save it inside Photoshop, it's based on your application because some will require white, some black, but with the transparency we can save as PNG or TFF and after modify or convert inside the Photoshop to what we needed. But right here we actually remove this area already. So let's do as example, we'll copy this. Okay, we'll go paste maybe a couple more times, and we're going to connect our flow map. So you can see right here we kind of have a nice flow map. We also have it where and deposit. So let's go take deposits. Okay, and actually, you know what, until we're doing this, let's go to deposits and where map. So we'll take all of them, and as well we'll use the all alpha mask to connect. We could also take a water height to this or a beach map. So let's go Control V. We'll take just our beach map and connecting. So you can see right here we have it. In this case, I don't need to worry about mask because it's mask already kind of applied just to this area. Okay, next, let's copy and paste another map. And I want for this to connect to our rocks. So we go connect to the rocks, and you can notice the rocks all over places. So I want to same thing, add my map. But what's happening right here, you can see it actually cut off this area. So, and meaning I need to take after blur but before inverter and connect this way. So on that way I have my rock map available for me. Okay, right now we have a lot of output for our materials. So I'm going to open and we go to modify some. How I say, we'll save as PNG 16, so it will preserve some transparency. We'll go specify file. Okay, right here, this is our, if I'm right, this is our primary output. So we'll go to mountain. Let's select PNG. So we'll find it. Okay, this is our flow. So I'm going to rename all of these inputs. Okay, so when you're done creating, we need to go inside the map, and for this test, at least I will be doing 2049. I maybe won't even go higher, just so we have more details on this. And next we'll go to build. I'm going to build the world right now and base it on your map. It may take longer or shorter. So I'm going to pause this tutorial and come back when render is completed. Okay, when render completed, we'll just click and export all of the images. And I'm going inside the view and going to use it to work with some of these outputs maps. So if you want, you can continue, or you can watch another tutorials from this series. Thank you for watching. This is from Geekatplay Studio Tutorials, and please remember, visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.